Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm your host, Buckning, and today we are giving you the end of the week update here. And let's see if we can break that $100 a year point on annual income for dividends. And so we'll just get right into it. But if you're new to the channel, welcome. This is where we put $100 a week into a tax-free savings account to build a dividend portfolio right in front of your eyes. And if you're not new, welcome back. And so this week was a kind of a rough week when it came to the portfolio, but that's okay. For the day, we ended with $2,536.60, down $15.58, down 0.61%. For the week, we were down $36.82, down 1.43% for the week there. And for the month, we were up $50.42, up 2.03% for the past month. Past 3 months, we were up $265.38, up 11.68%. And then for the year, we were up $291.60, up 12.99% for the year. And that will go with the same for all. First position that we own, and this is all in alphabetical order, is BCE, which is Bell Canada, closing out at $54.74, down 28 cents, down 0.51% on the day. We own 2 shares of BCE. We're looking to increase this position possibly in the future here, but the total position value sits at $109.48. The average price I bought it at was $58.05, so $58.05, and it holds about 4.49% of the portfolio. Today's return, we lost 56 cents, down 0.51% on the day. Total return since owning this position is down $6.62, down 5.7%. And so that is Bell Canada. Next one is BMO. BMO coming in out, closing out at $97.60, down 60 cents today, down 6.61%, sorry, down 0.61%. We own 5 shares of that. Total position value of $488 even. Our average price was $81.32. It holds about 20% of the portfolio. Today's return, we lost $3, down 0.61%. Total return since owning the position is $81.40, up 20.02%. And that is Bank of Montreal. Next position we own is Bank of Nova Scotia, closing out at $69.40, down 58 cents, down 0.83% for the day. We own 7 shares of Bank of Nova Scotia. Total position value of $485.80. Our average price was $54.58. Holds about 19.91% of the portfolio. Today's return, we were down $4.06, down 0.83%, and our total return since owning the position is $103.75. Next position we own is Loblaws, closing out at $63.35, down 17 cents today, down 0.27%. We own 3 shares of Loblaws, closing out total position value of $190.05. Our average price of purchasing is $64.02. It holds about 7.79% of the portfolio. Today's return was down 51 cents, down 0.27%. Total return of this position since owning this position is $2.02, down 1.05%, and that is Loblaws. So this is another position I'd like to increase to dollar cost average down, because it is down quite a bit, because I don't see Loblaws going anywhere, even though it's down, and it looks like I'm missing out on the position, but I do understand the fundamentals of Loblaws, and I don't see them going any bankruptcy or anything like that. So next one is Manulife Financial Corporation, closing out at $24.15. We own 17 shares of Manulife Financial Corporation. Total position value of $410.55. Our average price is $19.26. It holds about 16.83% of the portfolio. Today's return, we were down $3.57, down 0.86%. Total return since owning this position is $83.11, up 25.38% on this position. Next one is Royal Bank of Canada, the stock pick for January 2021. We did add to this position, and I'll show you that as well. Today it closed out at 107.36, so $107.36, down 48 cents, down 0.45%. We own 4 shares of this position, total value of $429.44. Our average price is 106.74. It holds about 17.6% of the portfolio. Today's return was down $1.27, down 0.29%. Total return since owning this position is $2.47. So I did do a limit buy. I did cancel that one and just did a market buy, and we were able to purchase this share at 107.19 on the day, and just one share of that. But yeah, we are now have increased the position of that, and we will be updating the track your dividends as soon as we finish going through the portfolio here to show you if we break the $100 mark annually for dividend income. So the next stock is TELUS Corporation, closing out at $26.44, up 3 cents on the day, up 0.11%. We own 4 shares of this position of TELUS Corporation. Total position value of $105.76. Our average price is $25.36. It holds about 4.33% of the portfolio. Today's return is up 12 cents, up 0.11%. And our total return since owning the position is $4.32, up 4.26%. Last but not least is Toronto Dominion Bank, ticker symbol TD, closing out at $73.58. We were down 91 cents today, down 1.22%. We own 3 shares of this position, of this stock, and total position value of $220.74. Our average price is $71.94. It holds about 9.05% of the portfolio. Today's return was down $2.73, down 1.22%. But our total return since owning the position is 4.91%, up 2.27% on that. And so that is the entire portfolio. The only thing we changed was Royal Bank of Canada, which we added 1 share to that position, which is increasing our position. We hold $96.78 in the cash portion that we'll use for the stock pick for February, and that will be in next week's video, of course. But yeah, let's just head over to trackyourdividends.com. Boom, here it is. I don't know why I did that. Shoot, hold on. I don't know what's going on. But yes. Okay. Hold on. Okay, we're good. We're good. Close the phone. Didn't mean to close the phone. Almost had technical difficulties. Okay. So, let me just pull up the info for Royal Bank of Canada here. So, trackyourdividends.com, total portfolio value with all the positions in place is $2,333. This is rounding up or down, whichever one it is. We have a total profit of $272. Dividend yield, if you were to build this portfolio today or on Friday, your yield would be 4.09%. Our yield, since building it over time, is 4.63%. As you can see, it's a bit higher, and that is because we dollar cost average, or we buy here and there. We don't all buy everything at once. We are slowly building a portfolio, and in result, which has created a better yield than to build it all in one go. And of course, it works the other way too. You can have a worse yield if you build it all in one go or over time as well. So there are both two sides to it. Our annual income is currently $95 a year, and so we will add a new holding. Ticker symbol is RY.TO. In the default portfolio, we had 1 share of that, and the cost basis of 107.19, right? And add, and should increase our position of Royal Bank from 3 to 4, and we have hit the $100 a year annual dividend income, which is fantastic. So that's $100 a year. Okay, so a portfolio value of $244, or not 200, $2,444. Dividend yield of 4.09% if you were to build this exact portfolio today. Our yield on cost is a solid 4.6%, and annual income of $100 per year of dividends, which is great. It's a great milestone for sure. Great way to start off the year here. But as you can see, these are all the positions we have. It shows you pretty much everything in there that the portfolio has, and it's a great way to track your dividends here. So that is that. Wow, I'm pretty happy about that, to be honest. So as you can see, $100 a year in dividends, which is fantastic. We'll head back to Wealthsimple Trade, and yeah, we've done it, guys. We've hit $100 a year in dividend $100 in dividends per year. This is what I'm trying to say. It's exciting, and I guess that's why I'm mixing up my words. But just imagine what $100 a year can do for you. I don't know what the math is around that. I didn't do any prep for that, but I know it doesn't seem like $100 a year is not much to some people in dividend income, but just ask yourself, let's just call it $10 a month. $10 is literally like a pretty good $10 a month of doing nothing is pretty dope. I'd be happy to get $10. I'd be happy to get $100 a year for doing nothing and just investing my money. And so yeah, that's what I'm trying to say is even some people who get like a 5-cent raise, I'd imagine that equates to about $10 a month on their paychecks, maybe, unless you work a massive amount of time. But the point of creating a dividend portfolio for me is to not just have growth in the stock itself, but to have something that starts replacing my income from like a traditional job or just whatever. Because even going $100 a week has resulted in growth in the portfolio of $272 in capital appreciation, but has also created now a dividend income annually of $100. And eventually it'll be 200, and then eventually be 3, and then 4, and then 5, and then 1,000. And then it's like, what can you do with $100 extra a month? What can you do with an extra $1,000 a month, which is where we're going to be heading, right? And so, yeah, I mean, just think about baby steps first. If you can't walk, crawl. If you can't crawl, I don't know, wiggle. But you gotta learn how to do that stuff before you can run. I know a lot of times now in the days of investing, I feel like I'm seeing a bunch of rocket ships in people's thumbnails that everything is gonna 10x, or this is the next SPAC and this and that. And I just want to remind everyone who is watching this channel that we can't forget the fundamentals when it comes to investing, when it comes to looking at the company's business plan, their financials, seeing what they're bringing in and doing as a profit, and what they're doing to maintain and sustain their company. Where right now it's like the Wild West out there and in the marketplace. So I just wanted to remind you guys that I'm not going to do a full I might do a full video on it, but just be very careful. Remember the fundamentals of investing. Don't go throwing your money anywhere. And again, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm definitely not your financial advisor, so do go seek professional advice. It's just my opinion. I'm just a guy on YouTube. But other than that, guys, just remember your fundamentals. Other than that, guys, hopefully you guys enjoy your weekend. I know I'm going to go enjoy mine and just relax a little bit. But other than that, guys, hope you guys did enjoy the video, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.